Hey everyone, I'm Erica with WTI, and if you're an avid reader like me and you want to read in luxury, then you need to give the Kindle Oasis e-reader a try. There are so many things to love about the Oasis. My favorite thing are the buttons on the side here. You can click backwards and forwards to change the page, and it has a nice little lip on the back. Mine does have a skin on it, but you can still see that lip where you can comfortably hold the tablet and change the pages without accidentally touching the screen and turning the page before you're done reading it. The screen also automatically rotates, so no matter if you hold it in your left hand or right hand, it will autocorrect itself so that the pages are the right way for reading, and it fits right into my purse. It's really slim, and you can see I have a smaller purse, but it fits perfectly in that back pocket. Another really cool thing about the Oasis is it adjusts the brightness and warmth. So no matter where you read, you can always see the pages clearly. This tablet is also waterproof. So if you're like me and love to read in the tub or at the beach or on the boat, you don't have to worry about getting it wet. The device will be perfectly fine. I've tested this a few times, not on purpose, and I've had no issues so far. I cannot say enough good things about the Oasis. It has so many neat features, and if you're an avid reader, you're definitely going to want to give this a try. I know you'll love it just as much as I do, and that's my point of view.